In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Disney Plus gift card. Whether you're gifting a subscription to someone special or topping up your own account, I'll walk you through the simple online process so you can get a digital code delivered to your inbox quickly and securely. First, head to the website of a major retailer that carries Disney Plus gift cards. Popular options include Target, Walmart, and Kroger. Use the official site rather than third-party links, and make sure you're shopping in the correct country or region, since gift card availability and redemption rules can vary. Next, click Log In. Sign in to your existing account with that retailer so your purchase is tied to the right profile. This helps with order tracking and ensures the digital delivery goes to the email you expect. Double-check that the email on your account is active and accessible, since that's where your gift card code will be sent. If the site prompts you to update your account details, take a moment to confirm everything is accurate. Now, use the search bar and type Disney Plus gift card. On the results page, look for the official Disney Plus digital gift card listing. Avoid third-party marketplace sellers when possible, and confirm you're choosing a digital e-gift card, not a physical card by mail. Open the product page and skim the description for any regional restrictions or special terms. Choose the value that suits your needs, typically $20, $50, $100, or $200. Think about how many months of Disney Plus you want to cover based on current subscription rates in your region. If you're buying for someone else, it's a good idea to match the value to how they plan to use it, and to confirm the card can be redeemed in their country. Click Add to Cart and review your order details. Make sure the quantity is correct and that delivery is set to email. Proceed to checkout and enter your payment details carefully. Ensure your billing information matches your payment method and look over the final total before placing the order. Some retailers may offer optional add-ons. Feel free to skip anything you don't need. After the purchase is complete, watch your email for the digital code. Delivery can be nearly instant, but sometimes it may take a little longer. Check your spam or promotions folder if you don't see it. The email will include the code and basic instructions for redemption. Keep the code secure, and if this is a gift, forward the email or share the code safely with the recipient. That's it. Quick, clear, and done. Enjoy your Disney Plus gift card and happy streaming.